Hey guys and galaxies, welcome to Galaxy on Fire YouTube channel. If you're wondering why I've been making videos like talk to talk, yes, face to face, Juno. Yes, I see you. Yeah, you right there. Yeah, you. Also, by the way, BTW, so for some reason, I cannot use this chat. Watch, I'm gonna say good. Or say two O's. See, can't do it. Anyways, I guess I just have to stay with Bubble Chat forever. LOL. See? Bubble Chat will work. Animal Jam said I have to use Bubble Chat. Stupid Bubble Chat. AJHQ, why did you do this to me? What did I do wrong? Anyways, why I've been making videos is because, well,
I'm gonna play you something on there.
Reasons. And by the way, who won the giveaway? Actually, no one wanted to enter in the giveaway. So, yeah. That's some salty stuff. I guess I'll just randomly pick out of my buddy list. Let's see who's on. Okay. Pinky Star 20. You're gonna have it. I'll trade you later. Yeah, so I guess she won the giveaway. LOL. Anyways, why haven't I been making any videos lately? Because one, I've been grounded. Two, well, a couple weeks ago, I wanted to go to my mama's, aka Mama, or aka Grandma to other people.
Give it to me.
Well, I was hanging out with my neighbor's dogs and I forgot all about it. So yeah. By the way, my neighbor, she's pretty cool. Yeah, pretty cool. By the way, BTW. The question of the day, no one answered. No one answered. I guess my video will be nothing to no one. And by the way, a couple days ago, actually a couple of minutes after I made the video, guess what happened? The weirdest, strangest thing happened to me. This random guy, okay, walks up to me like this. Okay, pretend Juno is me, okay? He randomly walks to me, buddies me. Yes, randomly buddies me. And then I'm hanging out with my friend, okay? And then he says, "Hey, your video is ew, just ew." I'm like, okay, what type of buddy are you? Honestly, it's like, why'd you buddy me? I guess my video was a lot to people. Very. I guess I'm important. And by the way, I got 8 subscribers. I'm happy. My vids are gonna become famous. I'm gonna have 10 million subscribers. I'm just kidding. By the way, if you hear random music in the background, it's because of my Momo doing something. Yep. So yeah. What? Who's on? What? I just saw something go on. Never mind. Oh, it's Crazy Kenya. Well, of course. She's on. Oh,
looks like she got something.
Oh, can't be on. By the way, I'm probably gonna make me a new. I'm going to do a little trick on someone, okay? Just a random little trick. I am going to trick someone. I'm going to trick someone from my buddy list. I am going to trick. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna see if okay, he's right beside me right now, so I cannot, say it. Yo, DJ.
No, I've already heard that
DJ.
song.
DJ.
What?
Hey, you wanna play a trick on someone?
What kind of trick are you thinking of?
Do you like to know?
I don't know.
Okay. Okay, let's see if this girl is the one I'm talking about. Let's see what animal she has. I know she has a rhino. Nope, she's not the one that I'm talking about. She's on her rhino at the moment.
Oh, that's the Super Bowl ads.
Ooh, I got an idea. Pinky Star. You want to play a trick on her?
Go ahead and play a trick on her.
You're going to come with me. Please. By the way, I'm gonna pause right now and try to beg him to get on Animal Jam real quick. Bye-bye. So he does not want to get on Animal Jam, so I guess I could just play trick on her. Oh wait, I can't. Forgot. Well, I'm just going to I'm going to speak all bubble words right now. I'm going to see what she's going to think I'm trying to say. Let's see what happens. Let's see. I'm just going to speak random bubble words because that's literally all I can do on this. I'm cracking up at the moment. Let's go to your tent. I'm gonna like literally go to her den. I'm gonna like go back and forth. Watch.
Oh no.
Yes.
This song is getting old real fast.
Whoa, I'm sorry. No, sir.
I can help you.
So
I'm
very
trying
old.
to randomly do this. Dang it. I don't know if it worked. The trick. I bet. She's probably like, what's going on? This is my trick, DJ. I'm speaking all Bible words because AKA, that's literally like what I can only do for one. And for two, I just want to see what happens. Let's see what happens. Trade with me. I bet she's like, what's going on right now? Two stars. Meet me. Wait, flippers and fins. What's flippers and fins?
My mind is infested with that annoying song.
Who is not annoyed by that song? If you're wondering what I'm talking about, it's Baby Shark. Baby Shark. And then you know what I'm going to do? Go to my den. Just go to my den. And she'll be like, what? Watch. Just watch. I bet she'll be like, I'm just going to follow. And then when... She's probably on BRB by now. Come on. Just come on. Come on! Where is she? Where are you? Come on. You know what? Forget it. I think I tricked her. I think I did. Let's just say it's out of 3 stars, I think it's a 2. Okay, let's go to my den. Well, you know, that's my review why I'm here and why I've been making videos. And, you know, trying to play a trick because I'm bored. I am legit bored. Oh, by the way, wait. Oh, man. There's a dude named Legit. Are you kidding me? There's a dude named Legit. Okay. I just wanted to see what was like. I was going to like type something. I guess it's legit. I don't know. I am literally bored. So
Quit pushing on this thing with your feet like that. You're gonna break it.
Anyways, yep. Well, this is the end of my video, and please like, subscribe, and you know, comment down below what was your favorite part. And by the way, the question of the day. Forgot how to do question of the day. Question of the day is: did you like that trick? If you did not, well, good for you. Now,
stop! Don't throw that cup at me.
peace out, galaxy.